Hello, my name's Casey Briggs, and this is my 321 screencasting video. So to start off, three things I learned. The first one was the fact that online learning has grown 20 to 25% every year since the 90s. I just found that's a that's a lot to grow since then. The impact that behavioral, cognitive, and emotional engagement has on learning in online classes. I never really thought about those things like mattering or anything. And then how class size can affect the relationships of teachers with students and how larger classes tend to have worse relationships. I never really thought about this, but once I learned it and thought about it, it does make sense because with a smaller class, the teacher has more time to have one-on-one time with students. Two things I found interesting was the amount of data that has been taken and studied and how in depth it was about the different numbers of student engagement and all the research that has gone into it and all the different types of ways professors get student engagement, like using avatars and like they have their own different activities. And then one question I have is, do you think there will ever be a time where online learning either it will take over completely and there won't be any more in person, or if growth will eventually slow down and maybe turn the opposite way and online learning may like start to be more and more rare? Thank you.